What is your will, my master?
What's up, Kevin? Quick demo video for you for your Darth Malak saber by Korbanth. This is a pretty new saber that just hit the market and everyone's getting theirs in hand. I got this from you yesterday and just finished it up this morning, right? So this is installed with the CFX that you wanted. You've got CC sabers in there for your main PCB. 2-button setup, so your front switch over here, your dome switch will be your activation, and then your back dome switch is your auxiliary. Now I made this with a static battery with a recharge port, and it has a speaker pod. So what you want to do is unscrew it from right here. Once you take this off, you can see, if I show you, you've got access to your micro USB, your SD card, you've got your recharge port there, and then you also have a kill switch right here. So everything is accessible right there. And then what you have here is a 24mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker in its own speaker pod. If I took this end piece off, which you'll never have to do, but I'll just show you, that speaker is pretty far down there, and it's totally encapsulated inside this aluminum pommel, and it sounds really good. So it comes out of all that different sound venting that you've got there. This never needs to come off. I just wanted to show you what that looked like. So we'll screw that down tight. I did get the sound font on here that you sent me. It was the Metallic Jaw by Kyberphonic, so that's the first sound font on here. What you want to do is just come over here and flip your kill key up. We won't hear anything, obviously, because we don't have a speaker, but just take this and lock it all the way down, and then you can come over here and activate it. The LEDs are firing up good. This thing is nice and loud. Auxiliary. I'll hold it down for blade lockup, right? Turn it back off, and we'll put a blade in. This takes a 1-inch diameter blade. One thing that was kind of weird about this particular saber that you sent me in the emitter was that I can see where they started to drill and tap a hole on the inside, but there was nothing that came out the other side. I thought that this was misaligned or something, but this is all one piece, so I'm not quite sure what happened there. But I went ahead and I drilled and tapped a new 832 grub screw right here for blade retention, because there was just no way I could get to the hole that was halfway started in there already. Okay, so we'll put a blade in here and then we'll fire it up. If I didn't say already, it takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. Solid, super solid saber. Good flash on clash. That speaker pod's not going to lose any connection. If you want to change color, just hold down aux and twist your wrist. Now we can just cycle through a couple different colors. So if we wanted a blue, we just tap a button, and now we got a blue blade, right? The sound tracker, just double tap the power. Double tap it again to turn it off, just like that.
Sound bank selection.
And then
Darth Malak.
I left all of these stock fonts on here for you.
Crystal focus. Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Grammy.
Do I have to kill you to get you to stop talking?
just like that, and we'll take the blade out. So yeah, everything's working in this guy like it should. And then CFX does have a deep sleep mode, but when you're done with it, just come over here and unscrew this pommel again. Come over here and we'll flip your kill switch down. So I'll do that with the saber on. See it on, and come over here and flip the kill switch off. You can see everything's cutting off like it should. So yeah, that's pretty much your Darth Malak. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this will go out in the mail to you today. All right, thanks.